This is the humble Wienerberger Dutch clay paver, from not-so-humble beginnings. Starting life all the way up here, in the Swiss Alps. Nature does its thing through weathering and erosion. Flowing down the River Rhine, this natural and renewable sediment settles on the Dutch floodplains. This is where we come in. We extract it, whilst making a positive contribution to the Netherlands flood management plan, as the clay we remove reduces the risk of flooding. Once collected, we then shape, dry and fire our pavers in nearby purpose-built and energy-efficient facilities, keeping our emissions as low as possible. All of this results in pavers that are beautiful, durable, and will last a lifetime. So, with a wide variety of design and color options, the question is, what will you create? For more information on our clay pavers, find us online. Landscape, paving our way.